Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and find templates for your Capcut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all there is two ways you can do it. One, you can simply go to your TikTok and use the templates given. Other than, you will just go to your Capcut app, open it up, and then you will find this 4 option below. What you're gonna do is simply tap on this template option given beside the edit. If you tap on that, you will be able to find all of the Capcut videos uploaded with the templates. So you can go ahead, choose, or you can see there are like menu options given. You can choose any of the keyword that you would like to and use your Capcut template according to your need. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead, search a particular template that you want to use for your videos as well, and then you will be able to find the kind of template that you want to use. So this is the easy way. What you can do is simply easy way for you to find your templates for Capcut. Otherwise, you can go to this following option and you can simply follow a user also, so whenever they upload a new Capcut to your liking, you can use it. So yes guys, simply going to your Capcut and finding the template is the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.